You're not broke, you're programmed. If you've ever wondered why money seems harder for you than everyone else, you're about to discover the part of your brain that's been sabotaging you without your permission. What I'm about to show you will change how you think about money forever. Stop for a moment. Think about that familiar wave of anxiety when you check your bank account. That tightening in your chest. That moment when you whisper to yourself, "Why isn't this getting better?" Most people think that feeling is about money. It's not. It's a pattern, a survival mode response your brain learned years ago. And it's running your financial decisions on autopilot. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a mindset stuck in scarcity mode. Not because you lack talent, not because you're irresponsible, but because your brain has been trained to expect struggle. And when your mind expects struggle, it creates it. Here's the science most people never hear. Scarcity reduces cognitive bandwidth. When your brain is scared, it literally filters out opportunities. Not because you're not smart, but because your mind is locked onto survival. That's why you can be brilliant in one area of life and freeze or sabotage yourself when it comes to money. Does this sound like you? You overthink decisions that could move you forward. You cling to safe choices, even when they keep you stuck. You avoid financial conversations because they trigger anxiety. You feel like you're repeating the same month over and over. You know you have potential, but fear dulls your clarity. If any of that hits, don't judge yourself. This is what happens when your brain is trained to expect scarcity. But the moment you understand the pattern, you can break it. And that shift starts right now. Before we go deeper, do something symbolically powerful. Tap the like button. Not for me, but as a small signal to your brain that you're interrupting the old program. Behavioral psychology calls this self-signaling. Your brain responds to the actions you take. If you're still here, it means part of you knows you're capable of more, and you're done accepting the old version of yourself. Stay with me. The next part is where everything connects. Money is not just currency. It's clarity. It's confidence. It's the reflection of the identity you're operating from. So let's start rewriting that identity. Type this in the comments. I'm done living in survival mode. This anchors your brain into the new identity you're choosing. Now listen carefully. These aren't affirmations. They're new instructions to your subconscious. My mind is no longer wired for struggle. I see opportunities fear used to hide from me. I make decisions from clarity, not panic. I am safe to succeed. I choose expansion over fear. Abundance is something I build, not something I wait for. Say them slowly. Say them with intention. You're literally reshaping the filters your brain uses to perceive the world. Because here's the truth. Your identity drives your decisions. Your decisions shape your life. Shift the identity. The rest follows. If something clicked during this video, don't stop here. Awareness is powerful, but transformation comes from repetition and strategy. And if you want the next step, I made another video that goes deeper. The one where I break down the exact mental loops that keep dragging you back into scarcity and how to shut them down for good. Tap the next video on your screen. It's not more content, it's the next stage of your mental upgrade. You're not stuck. You're just running an outdated script, and you've already started rewriting it. Let's keep going. Your breakthrough is in the next video.